Okay, hello guys. Now I'm gonna open a burger patapim squishy. Okay, let me say. Hello guys, I'm gonna open a burger patapim squishy. Oh my god, it's so squishy. Why is it so slimy? Here's what it looks like. Bro, look. If you're wondering why I get this, I went to a store. I checked this to my dad. I went to my dad. I asked him how much is it, and he said it's 60, and he allowed us to get it. Okay, now it's okay. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye.